Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Pixel and Baby. Today we are going to be showing you a review of the special Pet Dragon up1, and you can see we are going on Heaven's Garden, and let's go. Let's go. I'm sorry, I forgot to put on my boots. I'm sorry, there's a little bit of lag.
The bots are back for round 2. Bigger, better, better.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
Okay, thank you for the constructive criticism. That's what Sid done. Let's go look at beautiful kayaks. Some of them actually float. The thing that is, and instead of helping, that's not nailed down because I sold all the nails. This stuff isn't even worth that much money. You're right, it isn't. Next item up for bid, Kentucky Counselor. Show the six-pack.
No.
I got a lot of bread today. We can work off that bread to keep a tetherball. Good idea. Hey! Where's the tetherball?
I'm sorry if I wasn't talking that much lately, and I'm sorry if I'm not that. I'm sorry if I didn't get that much kills. It's just because the game is actually kind of crappy and laggy, so I can't actually play that good. I literally just got that mag. How did it get down so fast? Oh my gosh, someone has a good gun around here. I really don't get it. I literally just put on that mag. It just got destroyed. Oh my god. I'm sorry, this game is actually the guy freaking camped behind me. Bro! Sorry for the yelling, but this game is actually kind of cheating. Look at this! The dual Uzi!
We got 300 new applications, so we're back in business.
And, so yeah.
The webcast was a disaster. True. However, it turns out that the camera stayed on during Emma, Lou, and Xander's warm reconciliation. The fans loved it so much, now they all want to come to Camp Kiki Waka. Apparently, people really love that Friends Forever mumbo jumbo. Looks like we're going to be besties at camp next summer, too. We're going to be besties forever. Or at least until the black mold in our cabin kills us. Hey, that is great insulation. Anyway.
Mr. DJ got killed. Oh, laser disc. really laggy. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I think I would be over there, but I forgot to turn around.
Congratulations! Now you won't have to stand 100 yards away from camp on Parents' Day. Anyway, after the success of your live webcast, I now realize we need to update our promotional video. What is how exactly is this updated? Because in this one, we're going to be doing the running man. Now, dance or else sell your clothes and you'll be stuck in these outfits for the rest of the summer. Action! Please tell me you're not really filming this.
Of course not. I am watching cat videos. Mr. Meowington thinks he can fit in that tiny box. Adorable.
I'm Benjamin Coolmoyer from Best Friends Whenever, and you're watching Disney Channel. Sweet!
Sid, Shelby, I'm happy to do this experiment for you to see if a turtle can chew bubblegum, but as I explained to you before, the turtle you saw do it in that commercial is a cartoon. He's totally gonna do it.
Get it, Kyle! Be the
Bye,
turtle
guys.
and chew.